In this video tutorial, I will show you how to add a professional touch to your audio edits by learning how to fade in and out using Adobe Audition. Whether you're a podcaster, musician, or filmmaker, this simple technique can elevate your audio quality to the next level. So let's get started. Add your audio. Select your audio and click on Ctrl+A. Go to the Effects menu and scroll down. Amplitude and Compression. Click on the Fade Envelope process. Check all effects one by one. Thank you for watching our tutorial on how to fade in and out audio in Adobe Audition. Mastering this technique can elevate the quality of your audio projects. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Adobe Audition tutorials.